Hello, what's up everybody? My name is Vincent and welcome to my channel. So this is a dance channel, but who am I and why should you care? Well, I'm no one special really. I'm just like most people out there, just an ordinary guy who loves to dance. But I am from Minnesota and we do have a wonderful dance community here. Now I've been dancing for a little over 10 years right now, and throughout my tenure, I've tasted the rainbow. The dancing rainbow, I mean. I've done everything from local performances and competitions, World of Dance, Prelude, and for a couple of years I was even part of my university's dance program. But currently I am a dance choreographer and director for a local dance team here in Minnesota. I personally focus a lot of my time on training both new and experienced dancers to learn and perform to the best of their abilities. And with that, I'm here to provide some personal thoughts and insights based on my experiences about dance and other various topics of dance as a whole. So this isn't going to be a channel where you're going to be seeing any dope choreographies. If you want that, honestly, there are thousands of other channels on YouTube for that. But I will be here to give and teach information on the topic of dance as a whole. And this isn't from a perspective of a big giant community here, you know, those cities that you're used to like LA, Houston, Miami, but rather from a community that started maybe 20 years ago. So this is for you smaller cities out there, and hopefully I'm able to share something from my own personal dance community as well here in Minnesota. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe and I will see you in all of the videos.